Hello, Shaco Visual Editor, take one. Well, firstly, you clone or download in your desktop, and so this is the address from the GitHub repository. So then you just go to the folder where you unzip this, and then you execute the index.html. So then you can start creating your shackle validation with RDF. So first of all, I will just give a minimal example here, okay? Just to a proof of concept. So there's a lot to do and a lot of graphical stuff, but the structure is this one. So first we add a node. There will be a class. So we give a name for this class, like schema person. So an extension of this class. Oh, sorry, person is actually the extension. The name that could be anyone. We use here like Bob, whatever. So the properties that you want for the person Bob. Here we would just use like two simple, like birthday. Schema. Birth date. And here the value. It will be like 971 7 July. It will be a date, of course. So late, I will do this automatically, but now, for now, let's just do like this. And the second property will be death date. Schema death date. It will be a date as well, a year. But we'll make force hierarchy here, and like the guy just died before born. So we will do a validation with this. So we click add class, and we have here, and then and the turtle RDF structure will be shown here for the class that we just have created. So then we will add a shackle shape. So we click with the right button of your mouse and click in add shape. So a name for our shape in this case will be schema person shape. Could be any name that you want. And the constraints, we will just validate the birth date and death date. So then we use the prefix shackle here. That is defined in hard code now, but I will change later. It's just to prove that It's just a proof of concept here. Okay, cool. So path and the property that we want, schema birth date. And so, and the constraints that we want. So in this case, should be less than the def date, and should be at least 1. No, I mean the maximum 1. Okay, so then we click in add shape, add shackle shape, and there you go. And then we have here our shackle shape here. See? And then we just, to check if it's valid or not, we click in shackle validation. And then we say, oh, like, so it's not conforming with the shape that we given here. So but this I put a kind of dynamic here. So if we just change here for a correct def date, like for instance 99, so as you can see, now is valid. So, and that's all for this first really beginning of shackle. Thanks a lot.